All right, it's June 24th, 2023. Me and Steve Knoop out here working on the connector again. Really just doing some cleanup in some areas that needed some work. So, newest update. We're here at the end of the Tecumseh Trail. The water low. You can cross here, but we did kind of build something over here so you can at least come look at the sycamore tree. It's usually better crossing when there's, water, which we're lacking this year. Now that everything's greening up, it's turning into a prettier trail. Still needs some work in lots of places, but work's never done when you're trail building. But all the ferns lining this. No major erosion problems, because we haven't had rain. And this is one area I need to work on, because that hump I put in place for these drains, but some still getting around this little section. These rocks need to be a little steadier. We got do not disturb rocks sticking up. Little paver way leading to a big drain under the roots. She just funneling water out. Pine needles on it, which is nice. Yeah, lots of ferns. We tried to avoid a lot of them, so probably could steep that drain out a little. I kind of edge this out a little better, flatten it out. Got that drain a little deeper. More edging, widen it. We can really get a line through here, make this more consistent. And then see the knobstone drain, the wee French drain that rocks are holding. Can you still make out knob? Yeah, a little bit. Go up here. So we need to take some small hose and level all this out. Getting out to the steps. Still solid. Steve's working on competing with O'Bannon in their English wall. We're trying to figure out this place that just doesn't want to drain, so we're going to go this way. New section. Come up. We'll probably need to flatten that out a little bit. Dig that out a little more. Here's what I've been working on this morning. Put a little drain in, and then in-slope this substantially more so you can stay on that left side, the high side. I'm not real happy with this, but because this tree here is going to force water come out about where them pruners are, and it's going to hit the trail. I really don't want to take out that stump. This tree's in good shape, so that's going to be a problem area. We come up, there, set a couple drains. I need some people walking this a little more. I think after our lunch break, we're going to work up here further I want to flatten that high side of this, the right side of the drain. It's not just a steep little step. That's only one step. Part of the knobstone. This ain't the Monon. They're supposed to be hills. Come up, we probably need to prune a couple of them. Not real happy with this little section of inslope here. Oh, and the bug that's been talking to me in my ear this whole time just decided to fly my eye. Please hold. Jerk. Yeah, that's, you can see water drain here. Well, his buddy wants to party too. But that I'm not really liking. Have to look at that. This could be a little wider through here. Definitely wider. Kind of force a couple of small drains through here a little better. More than just that outslope. Come up. Ferns are growing in the trail, so we'll avoid them for now, but they need to be moved. That needs to be wider through here. Like, we got a bunch of easy work to do, thankfully. This could use a little bit of finish work. But again, I wanted to avoid that big drain that water just flowing through. I did try to stop the most erosion with this drain. Got a step over. Usually some nice exposed rock through there, but it's a little leafy. Come up. Mostly up the hill, so not nearly as many drains. A decent hillside still. And water does come out from underneath those two rocks when we have water. Got to do some pruning already. I got rid of some briars right through here. We're already trying to get on the trail. Come up and around. There's another little drain we might make deeper and wider from that pocket. This has got some inslope to it. It seems to be doing fine. This is pretty much where we stopped last time.